Okay guys, welcome to the video tutorial for the IKEA toy car, and today we're going to do an assembly. So, File, New, Assembly, and click OK. And when you do an assembly, it will automatically start asking you which components you want to put in. So it's navigating to the folder where I've got everything saved, bring in the wooden base, and all I have to do once it's in here is just click and it will insert it. And then you need to bring in your other components. So it's just a case of going to Insert Components, bring in the plastic base, and again just click into the workspace when you're happy with where it's going. Insert Components again and go to the wheel. Now we're going to do this slightly differently. We're not going to click, so I've not clicked yet. Go across here, go to your thumbtack, click on that, and this will allow us to insert multiple files. And when you're happy with how many you've got in, all you have to do is hit the green tick in that Insert Components box. Bring some more in. So you've got the axle to bring in. And again, because we have two of these things, we use the thumbtack to just click twice and green tick. Last component to bring in is the green part. And again, we need two of this, so we'll put a little thumbtack on and we'll just drop them into this space. Green tick to finish. Okay, we're ready to start assembly now. So assembly is done using the mate command here, and we really need to think about what the surfaces that are actually going to touch. If you were going to assemble this together physically, what surfaces would touch? So the top surface here, and that surface would touch. All you have to do is select them, it will add them to the mate selection box, and you green tick it. We need to get these surfaces aligned, so let's just add it to the mate selection. That's the one that's highlighted in blue. Click on that surface and that surface, and Solidworks knows to automatically bring those together like so. Last one, this surface and this surface, and Solidworks automatically brings them together. And that's your first two components assembled. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to do assembly of the wheel and the axles. So to do this one, we're going to assemble it outside of the body. So just show you how to do that very easily. If you flip your view so you can see the inner surface of the wheel, so where this hole was drilled and the end surface, we want that end surface there. Click on that, and we want the end surface of the axle. And what it's done is it's brought those two together, okay? And we can tick them. However, I can still move things, yeah? I can still, they're able to move out with each other. They're not center axised. You can see they're not aligned properly. So to do that one, what we're going to do is select the outer surface of the axle, and we're going to select the outer surface of the wheel, and you can see that they're now concentric. They share the same center, in other words. And click OK. That's one side of the wheel and the axle done. We're going to go across and do the other side now. So we need to collect the surfaces. Inner surface and the external surface there. Now, you'll notice that it's round the wrong way. Okay, it's not showing it in the correct position. We need to flip this wheel until it's round the other way. The way we do that is just further down in this dialog box. If you just scroll down, it's in this mate alignment. So you can have aligned, which it is at the moment, or anti-aligned. And you can see the different effects. So aligned and anti-aligned. And click OK. And as before, you can see it's not in the center yet. We need to get those concentric. So that's one more mate we're going to do. So external surface of this, external surface of this, tick OK. And that's one wheel subassembly done. We'll do the next set. End point of that axle is touching that surface there. We need this surface and this surface to be concentric. Click OK. We've got the next wheel to do. We've got this internal surface, the external surface of the axle. It's round the wrong way. So we scroll down, use your mate alignment to flip that. And then your last move two external surfaces, cylinders. OK that. And there's your second wheel and axle subassembly done. Now all we have to do is get these wheelless subassemblies into the body subassembly. So to do that, I'll just scroll back up here so you see what's going on. Let's select the inner surface of the wheel, and the inner surface of this wheel is going to touch this side of this body. I'll click OK. We'll do the center axis now. So that's center axis and the center axis of the hole, and that's those two components together. So two moves and you've got the wheel in position. So you can do it in any order. So for example, I can select this surface and then this surface, click OK, and then I can do my concentric surfaces. And click OK. And that's the body pretty much done apart from the green parts. To do them, I'm going to select this outer surface. It slots into this sleeve here. Green ticket. I can still move at this point, still not fully confined or restrained it. We need to select this surface and this surface. Click OK. So we're going to assemble the last component now. And we want the front cylinder. And this is going to go into the back cylinder here. Click OK. Now we've got a problem here because this is round the wrong way. So to get this in the right orientation, select this surface, flip your vehicle round and select that surface. Click OK. Last two surfaces to come together. So we want inner surface there, touching that surface. Green tick to finish. Remember, Control 7 gives you the pictorial view. Save. And you're done.